huwag na natin patagalin to. Simulan na natin ang labanan agad-agad.
Ito ang round 4, Intanggalan. Violette versus Beza.
Let the team clash begin!
How could I forget your pretty face? When you go to places, do you think of me? Please think of me. People come and go. Sometimes call me your favorite one last time. I swallowed all my pride, accepted the end of you and I. But what if I miss you for the rest of my life? I have built a house where I wait for your return, and I only want you to be mine and not a lesson learned. And I will wait and wait and wait until this city burns. I will wait and wait and wait and live on when we learn. Think of me, please think of me.
Hi, Violet!
Violet!
Hi, how are you feeling? Kumusta ka?
I feel so emotional.
But feeling emotional ka ngayon.
I think it's the release of all the pressure po talaga. And I just feel so grateful for like the opportunity to even sing on this stage again po.
We all felt you. Naramdaman ka namin.
Yes.
Ngayon, huwag ka nang umiyak.
Oh,
Huwag ka nang
ang galing-galing
umiyak.
mo eh. Ikaw talaga.
Galing-galing mo!
Yes.
Thank you po.
And you know, Violet, you know what's great? Malalaman mo na yung comments sa'yo ng Clash Panel, ha? Tanawin natin ang Clash Panel kung ano masabi nila.
Violet, you're improving, ah?
Hi po. Thank
Your
you po,
voice,
Sir Christian.
Your voice is improving. It's becoming more powerful. And I agree with you talagang more emotional. At nakita ko yun ngayon. It's definitely a better performance than your other performances. I commend you for that. Thank you for that.
Thank you po.
Now, siguro, yun ang things to keep. Things to improve naman, minsan, para lang magkaroon ng more color, like your name, Violet, pwede mo rin minsan maglabas ng konting intensity ng kahit konti lang, tapos pwede mo rin ibalik para meron parang mga spikes yung performance. Pero definitely, your singing voice now is so much better. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hi, Violet!
Hi po, Ate Jillian.
Hello! I agree sa sinabi ni Opa Christian. Grabe yung growth mo. Tonight, nakita ko talaga yung vulnerability mo. At saka, mas powerful nga yung boses mo. Mas expressive ka na. At saka, mas nararamdaman ko ngayon yung meaning ng song. At parang nabitin ako. Yun.
Violet, ramdam na ramdam namin yung emosyon na gusto mong iparating sa amin. And kitang-kita sa mata mo na inaral mo talaga kung ano yung lyrics ng song. Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Alright. Thank you, Clash Panel. Ang sagot naman ni Beza sa awit ni Violet sa pagbabalik ng The Clash Teens. Isa! Laban sa lahat!
Tommy used to work on the docks. Union's been on strike. He's down on his luckiest time. So tired. We got to hold on to what we've got for love. We'll give it a shot. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, baby, not a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, baby, not a prayer. Baby, not a prayer. We're halfway there. Whoa, baby, not a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, baby, not a prayer. Baby, not a prayer.
Beza! Let's hear it from the Clash panel.
Hi, Beza.
Hello po, Sir JL.
Isa sa mga strength mo talaga is yung pagiging expressive mo. And feeling ko lahat ng performances mo, aral na aral mo eh. Alam mo kung paano yung gagawin mo. And even sa mga songs mo, kabisado mo na yung boses mo. And ngayon, mas more pa yung pinakita mo sa amin. And sobrang napawow na lang talaga ako, lalo na dun sa ending part.
Thank you so much po,
congratulations,
Sir
Beza.
Hi, Beza!
Hello po.
Hello! As always, ang lalim parate ng emotions na napapakita mo kapag nagpe-perform ka. Parang nakakaantig yung boses mo. Like, I can't stop listening to your voice. Tapos sa mga high notes naman, grabe yung support mo sa voice mo. So, congratulations, Beza.
Thank you so much po, Miss Julian.
Hi, Beza.
Hello po, Sir Christian.
Sabi nga nila, talagang feeling nila aral na aral. So for this performance specifically, ang feeling ko lang naman is parang masyadong aral, masyadong memorized. At feeling ko parang there can be moments, katulad doon kay Violet, na you can let go, let loose ng konti. Para naghahanap ako ng a little explosion ng konti. Even though you hit the notes, you hit the movements, you hit everything. Thank you.
Thank you so much po, Sir Christian.
Thank you, Clash panel, and thank you, Beza. That was so nice. Violet, please join us here. Clash panel, sino kina Beza at Violet ang makakabalik sa top of the Clash?
Alright, I will go first. Ang boto ko po for today's very wonderful performance, I see. Violet.
One vote for Violet.
Ang boto ko po ay para kay... Beza!
One vote for Beza.
Ang napili ko ay si... Beza.
Congratulations, Beza! Nakabalik ka na sa top of the Clash!
Nabukas ang Intanggalan ang hinahanap. Tinig ng pusong may naisipan.
Violet, thank you so much.